Revenue cycle management. It is the backbone of healthcare finances. But let's face it, it is not always smooth sailing. Today, we are tackling the top 3 challenges in RCM and sharing solutions that work. Challenge number 1, denied claims. They're a headache for every billing team. Why? Errors in patient eligibility, coding mistakes, or missing documentation. Proactively verify insurance up front and use smart coding tools to catch errors before submission. Fewer denials, faster payments. Challenge number 2, patient collections. With rising out-of-pocket costs, getting patients to pay on time is tougher than ever. Offer clear billing statements and flexible payment plans. Add digital options like text reminders or online portals. Convenience is key. Challenge number 3, regulatory changes. HIPAA, ICD-11, payer policies. It is a lot to track. Leverage automation and AI tools to stay compliant and streamline workflows. Let tech do the heavy lifting so your team can focus on revenue. Master these challenges and watch your revenue soar. Want more tips to optimize your RCM process? Let's connect on LinkedIn. Drop a comment or send me a message. Together, we'll turn billing headaches into wins.